Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Decoding IPOs by Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College. Today, we are going to focus on Tata Capital IPO. Tata Capital, founded in 2007, is the financial services arm of the Tata Group and a subsidiary of Tata Sons. It offers a wide range of products, including personal and home loans, SME and corporate finance, and wealth management services. As one of India's leading NBFCs, it serves individuals, small businesses, and large corporates through a strong nationwide network. Known for its trust, transparency, and customer focused approach, Tata Capital is now set to launch its IPO to raise funds for future growth and provide an exit to some existing shareholders. Now, let's look at the IPO timeline. The IPO opening date is 6th of October, closing date is 8th of October, the tentative allotment date being 9th of October, and the tentative listing date is 13th of October. Now let's move on to the IPO details. The face value is rupees 10 per share. The issue price is set at rupees 310 to 326 per share. Lot size being 46. The sale type, it's a combination of both fresh issue as well as offer for sale. So, talking of the total issue size, it is 47 crores, which is quite big. This will be the fourth largest IPO in the country. So, let's analyze this carefully. The fresh issue is 21 crores and the offer for sale value is 26 crores, which means 26 crores will be available for sale and these 21 crore shares will be newly issued, summing up to the total of 47 crore shares. Now let's move on to the objectives. So the purpose of the issue is to enhance Tata Capital's Tier 1 capital base to meet future capital requirements and support further lending and business expansion. So, moving on to the financials of the company, if we look at the assets, we can notice a growth in assets year after year. We can also see growth in revenue as well. Uh, then we can observe that the revenue has doubled itself between 2023 to 2025, which was 13,000 and increased to 28,000. Talking of profit after tax, it's again noticeable that the PAT uh, has seen growth. If we look at the profit margins, they have reduced. But if we are seeing growth in overall profit, so it's a good thing. Generally, when the revenues increase, we see that the margins decrease a bit. Rest, its net worth is also increasing. Reserves in hands has also increased year after year. The borrowings are 2,11,851. However, this being a NBFC company, finance company, they do have debt on them because what they do is they take loan from one side and give it on the other side. But we closely look into the debt to equity ratio, which is 6.6, a bit higher than the industry ratio. The ideal ratio would be somewhere around 3 to 4. Still, it's okay. Moving on to the ROE, which is 12.6 percentage. Again, decent. Then the PB ratio is 4.10. EPS is 9.06 and the PE ratio is 35.99. So let's move on to the peer comparison. Tata Capital's P ratio was 33.24 post IPO, which is close to Bajaj Finance, 32.6, and higher than most of the other peers like Shriram Finance 12.1 and L&T Finance 19, indicating it is valued at a premium, like a higher valuation. However, its EPS 9.81 remains lower than major peers, suggesting that while investors' confidence is strong, its earning potential still has room to grow. So, overall, the financials of the company are strong. There's a good growth in revenue and profit, but debt is a bit higher. Here's the GMP. It's trading at a premium of rupees 12.5 in the grey market today, which is around 4% over the upper price band. Let's look at the subscription status. The Tata Capital IPO received an overall subscription of 0.56 times. The employee category was the most subscribed with 1.65 times, while the QIBs were subscribed 0.55 times, NIIs 0.53 times, and retail category 0.56 times. Now, here's the strength. Among the top three NBFCs in India, Tata Capital is one of them, a leading player. It is one of the fastest growing diversified financial institutions in the country. It is backed by strong brand equity and trust of the Tata Group, a large and diversified loan portfolio across sectors and regions, extensive distribution network ensuring wide customer reach, consistent profitability with steadily improving financial performance. Coming to the weaknesses, valuations are a bit on a higher side. It's a large cap company, so we cannot expect much listing gains right now. Overall, investors should adopt a long term perspective for this IPO, focusing on sustained growth rather than short term listing gains. Its strong market position and diversified portfolio makes it a promising investment for the future. Thank you.